everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I found the Miniverse Make It Mini potions. Now this is a Harry Potter edition. Got it all unwrapped. Let's pop it open. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 little mystery bags. So they open the ball and there's like this table. How cool is that? Here's the piece of the table. There's more little mystery bags, some more mystery. And then there's this part. This doesn't look fun to me at all. Key with some yarn. Look at the little table. How cute is that? Let's see which one I got. So this is the instructions and everything. So wow, a lot of things that I gotta do. The one I got. Let's open up this one. This one is the green packet. It's this is the it's the little jar. How cute is that? And then the little topper part, little jar we got. The red packet. I don't know what's in here. This is like a little scoop. I forgot what these are called. There's a name for them. But I got one of those. It's like I got some tweezers. Do the blue packet. Got a little funnel. This, I think, oh yeah, it's to this. You can close this and put this part on here. Oh, there you go. Clips on top. You put like the little cork. You put like your finished product in here. It's a bag. Little glitter in here. Oh, they're right there. Oh, look, it's a little wooden box. That's cute. This is, oh my god, it's a little, oh, I just broke it. Hahaha. Fixed it. Oh, look at the little cauldron. How cute is that? What the table is. Wow. What the table looks like. You grab the cauldron and the blue glitter right here. And then I have to mix this blue glitter into the cauldron. And right, we got the cauldron open where the resin all is. We're spilled out. Okay, now it wants me to put in some glitter, but I'm not gonna put in a lot of glitter. A little bit of blue. I don't want to like add too much. Got all the glitter in my cauldron and mix it all together and see if I have to add a little bit more. I think that's good. It says to add whatever these are. So I got 2 orange ones. 1, 2. And then 2 yellow ones. So 1, 2. Okay, so let's mix them up. The jar, the funnel. So there we go. Pour the resin into the jar. So this is gonna be interesting. So. Okay, I did everything in my potion. Now the last thing I have to do is pretty much put it in the sun but I don't have any sun right now, so I'm gonna have to put it in the sun tomorrow and hope there's sun. Now I'm just gonna put the top on the bottle, and then there's our potion. Grab this little wooden box and put the little jar in here. Oh, how cute is that? And then I'm gonna put in the leftover glitter in here too. So in there like that. So cute. It's this non-fun part is the little tag they have here. So how the heck do little tag that's gonna go onto this bottle? So I'm gonna do that. Alright, tied my string, got the little key. I'm so happy with it. The finished look. I am so happy with the way that this turned out. This is so freaking adorable. I highly recommend you guys try out these Harry Potter potions. They are so fun to do, and I'm definitely going to be getting my hands on more because from what I've seen in the pamphlet, I want all of them. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this Harry Potter potions video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys!